Hello, welcome to this series of translations of the Abhangas of Saint Tukaram from his Abhanga Gatha into English. I am Deepak Fadnis. You may be aware that I am doing this activity of translating the Abhangas of Saint Tukaram so that the world outside Maharashtra, the people who do not understand Marathi, will be able to understand the greatness of Saint Tukaram. You may be aware that Saint Tukaram was a great devotee of God who had reached sainthood because of his ardent devotion, and in his lifetime he wrote an epic consisting of more than 4,500 verses, which is called Abhanga Gatha. It is very beautiful, full of love for God and full of worldly wisdom. And so I thought I would like to do this translation for the benefit of those who do not understand the language Marathi. I hope you will see all the Abhangas which I have translated earlier also, and I'll be very happy to have the review from all of you. Today we are going to translate Abhangas 465 and 466. First I will read the Abhanga 465 in Marathi. अवगुण तो कोणी नाही प्रतिष्ठिले, मागे होत आहे शिष्टाचार, दुर्बळाच्या नावे पिटावा डांगोरा, हा तो नव्हे बरा सत्यवाद. मद्य आणि मधु एक राशी नावे, तरी का ते खावे आधारे त्या. तुका म्हणे माझा उच्छिष्ट प्रसाद, निवडी भेदाभेद वृष्टी न्याये. All the saints have always fought for the cause of truth. They are very careful in taking the side of good, and they will always criticize the bad, the imposters, the cheaters. They don't like vices, they don't like the bad element in the society. And in this Abhanga, Saint Tukaram is asserting that we should not justify anyone's bad habits or bad qualities. Short and sweet Abhanga. Let us see the translation one line at a time. The first line is अवगुण तो कोणी नाही प्रतिष्ठिले, मागे होत आले शिष्टाचार. Never before in past has anyone respected bad characteristics or bad qualities in any person. Nobody has ever glorified vices of a person. And people have always respected the established norms of good behavior, standard behavior, nice behavior, something which pleases all. That is the society's norm. Now, in the next line, Saint Tukaram says, दुर्बळाच्या नावे पिटावा डांगोरा, हा तो नव्हे बरा सत्यवाद. When the situation is like this, nobody should glorify a weak person. It is not okay, and it will not be the truth also. So you can call a strong person, but you should not call a weak person as a great person. You should not glorify weakness. You should not glorify bad characteristics. So because you should know what is good, what is bad, what is weak, what is strong. So you have to be able to differentiate very carefully. Just because somebody is weak, people may start glorifying him. Oh, he's so nice, he's so great, he's so strong. No, he's not. Okay. So then the third line. मद्य आणि मधु एकरासी नावे, तरी का ते खावे आधारे त्या. Madhya is alcohol. Madhu is honey. Alcohol and honey are in the same category. It's in the same group. Things which are a little sweet, a little bit sour. And will it be proper, just because they are in the same group, will it be proper to justify drinking alcohol? Just like it is okay to drink honey? No, the answer is no. It's okay to drink honey, but not okay to drink alcohol. So in the end, Tukaram Maharaj says, तुका म्हणे माझा उच्छिष्ट प्रसाद निवडी भेदा भेद वृष्टी न्याये. Tukaram Maharaj, here he is showing, he is expressing what great powers he has. It is coming out automatically. What he is saying in this is, with the blessings of saints, I have received a downpour of the prasada of their advice. It has come in large proportions, huge proportions. They have rained good advice on me, the saints. I have received that prasada from them, and as a result of that, now I am able to select, I am able to differentiate, I am able to understand very clearly what is good, what is bad, what is virtue, what is vice. Yeah, I have developed that special capability, and this is because of the saints. A very different kind of abhanga shows the power that a saint gets, and this power comes from other saints when somebody is on the path of devotion and traveling successfully, making good progress. Let's hope you like this abhanga translation. Now we will move on to abhanga 466. First I will read the abhanga. लागलिया मुखस्तना घाली पान्हा माऊली उभयता आवडी लाडे कोडे कोड पुरतसे मेळविता अंगे अंग प्रेमे रंग वाढतो तुका म्हणे जड भारी अवघे शिरी जननीचे. This is an abhanga of a mother and a newborn child. In this abhanga, Saint Tukaram is describing the beauty of a mother and child relationship. In the end, he says that the mother carries on her head a big responsibility for the welfare, for the well-being of the child. This abhanga is very lovely because in a very sweet way he is telling how God has to bear the responsibility of Tukaram Maharaj. God is the mother, Tukaram Maharaj is the child, and he is telling very nicely, very innocently to God that you have on your head a very big responsibility of taking care of my welfare. So it is sweetness, sweetness, and sweetness all the way. Let us see the translation. Lagaliya mukhastana ghali panha mauli. The mother starts oozing milk from her breast the moment the child touches its mouth to the breast. Ubhayata avadi lade kode kod puratase. At that time, on that occasion, in that activity, both are adoring each other. It's a very playful celebration, a very big celebration of love and appreciation of each other. The mother is appreciating the child is appreciating the mother. Medavita ange anga preme ranga vadhato. The mother's love reaches new heights and becomes a very colorful expression of love. It's a colorful game of love. And Tuka mane jadabhari avaghe shiri jananiche. Tuka says, in this way, the mother carries a very high responsibility of the welfare, the well-being of the child. And this is the big burden of the mother. So as I said, Tukaram Maharaj is very nicely, very subtly telling Lord Panduranga that you have the responsibility of giving me everything, including darshan, including God realization. That is the sweetness of this abhanga. I hope I have been able to convey the meaning well across, and I would like to thank you for listening to me. Do see the other posts on this YouTube channel, Deepak Fadnis. There is Abhanga Pandhari, there is Path Karave Tase Abhanga, there is Haripat in Sanskrit, translation of Haripat in Sanskrit. I hope you will keep in touch with me. And today's program, we will finish it here, and we will meet next time for translation of the further Abhangas. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.